Welcome, today I've read with me REALME GT Neo 3T and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and then just drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications. If you want to rename the folder, just click here once on the name and after that enter. Just remove it firstly, and after that they enter the new one, for example the apps. Click to OK and that's it. If you want to move this folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag it. Also we can move it between the screens and we can create the new screens with the folders. That's also so simple. Just hold it and drag it to the right side of the screen. To remove the application from here, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen, but thus you should do this if you just wanna stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and tap to remove icon. Also you can remove for example a couple of apps, just all of the applications from the folder, and just in one click hold it and click to remove folder or just remove. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.